The National Weather Service in Hayden has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Midfield County in north-central Coldora, Wheat County in north-central Coldora, Rivulet County in north-central Coldora. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located southwest of Hayden, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. This severe thunderstorm will be near Stonington, Galva, Ashtown, Hayden. The main threat of this storm will be quarter-size hail. This is a dangerous storm. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building or get inside a sturdy structure